Today we will make a simple change with a cube. Okay, this will look like this. Okay, we will make a new file first. First we will need to make a new file. Then we will need to go to press 3 at up at A and press S and Y for to make it a thin. Okay, if you want to make this with a mirror, that is okay. Okay, that is a same of that I use. This is just press C and then press right at your mouse. Okay, and for to delete something vertex or something other that, you can use press X. Okay, then we will make a lock. Press A to extrude and Control R and go up there. Press X. Select face to delete face. And we go and please select this. Okay. And then we will need to make this R and X. Type at your keyboard 90. Oh shit, I'm sorry, 180 to make it go down. Okay, we will need another order. Okay, if you want to, we will make this. Okay, same. This is a same step with the thing like a locker. I don't know. Okay, something like this. There is the same step that we will use. Okay. Okay, and R Z E Z or Z Z Z Z and 99 90 not 99. Okay. Okay, after this we will need to shift D and RZ80. Okay, to make it like a change, I will make it like this. Okay, that's too big. I don't know, but I'm sure this is not right. Okay, I need to make it Control Z to undo and make sure to make it slim. Yeah, same with the other. Okay, we will make rotate this to make it glow. Okay. Press G to move this thing, and then we will need to shit. Okay, nice. I'm just use a simple change with a cube, so I'm not really sure if this look like a change. Okay, and then we need to go here and select rigid body and passive, and add this select select mesh. Okay, and the other things we will use the same step, but we need to make it active and change this to mesh. Okay, and this too. I'm sorry. Okay, make sure to start this to not going well, not going well. Mesh animated, not going well. I'm sure this is already okay. Okay. There is something that make that object become enable to become like a change. Okay. We already make this. We need to make it make it nice. Okay, it is okay. We can use other things like cycle or something other, but you need to make it like passive and active. For what? The passive, this is for an object that just need to be uh, stop at, like stop at the some place. Okay, and the active, this is feel uh, like what, like something that can move dynamic with what with what we do with the object. Like this, we make it like a change. You can make like I say, you can make this to with a cycle or other mix of things. Like table, you can make it of checks or chair, something other thing. Okay, that is for this video. I hope you like this video. I'm sorry if my language is bad, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and then comment at this video. Okay, thank you.